Oh my God. Please let still be. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, look at that beast. Oh. Oh, get over here. Oh. Get all this crap off. There we go. Oh, think you wanted that frog? Think you wanted that frog right there? Yeah, that's a 4-pounder. Oh, what a strike. Come on. Ah, come on. There we go. Hopefully you can see all that right there. Let's get a weight on her. Oh, that's a 4-pounder. Not quite. Almost. 392. Hopefully you guys can see that weight right there. Almost a 4-pounder. What a strike. Love that frog fishing. Let's get her back in. Go on. Go on. Go on, girl. There she goes. Whew. Spro bronze-eye popping frog in, I believe this is rainforest color. Throwing it on a 40-pound braid. My Falcon Buku 610 heavy and a Abu Garcia Aura SX reel. Whew.